Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amar Azad bin Muzaffar. So the topic of our video is filtration. So before diving deeper to know more about the filtration system, I'm going to show you guys a small demonstration on how the filtration system works. So let's go. So these are the filters itself. There are 4 total filters which will be used for this machine, and it will be placed right between these plates right here. So this is a constant pressure filter system. So first thing first, the mixture or the slurry, it will be inserted into this tank right here, where it will flow through these pipes and through the filters itself. It will exit through this pipe right here. The filtrate will be exiting through this pipe right here, and the cakes will be formed right between the plates. So at the end of the experiment, the filtrate viscosity and density will be calculated, and the mass of the wet cake and the dry cake will be recorded. So overall, that is how the filtration system works. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Anas. Okay, today I will explain about the filter press process flow of filter press system. Okay, so the filter press system is commonly used in lab industry and experimental lab. For example, we can also use filter press. So first, the solutions will enter the mixer. At mixer, they will be stirred, so the solutions will be mixed together, and then it will move to treatment tank. At the treatment tank, there will be usually there are a few coagulants, pH adjust, and polymer. They will control the properties of the solutions, and then it will move into the filter press. At the filter press, there will be a few plates. This is plates. Okay, so the plates play an important role in the filter press systems. The plates will be compressed by the pressure so that it will filtrate the solutions. After that, the cake will be formed between the plates. The cake is a solid substance, and then it will be moved from the plates to ensure that the performance of the filter press is good. And then after it go through into the filter press, the solutions that the solids are removed, and only left is the solutions which is go to filter tank. Thank you.
Today we explain about the relation with fundamental mass transfer and heat transfer. Okay, our group choose chapter 5, which is filtration. Filtration is a process of separation of solid from a fluid by passing the same through a porous medium that retains the solid but allow the fluid to pass through. While fundamental mass transfer means when a single phase system contains 2 or more species whose concentration are not uniform, mass is transferred to minimize the concentration difference within the system. So from the meaning of those two, we can see that there is a relation between fundamental mass and filtration in topic filtration. But for the fundamental heat transfer, there is no relation between filtration and heat transfer because there is no heat change in filtration process. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Dylan Taylor, and I will be presenting what factors influence the production. So, the factors influencing the production, first is the property of solid. For example, the particle shape, size, and density of solid. Means that a bigger size of particle, there will be an easier filtration process. Next is the properties of liquid, the density, viscosity, and also the corrosiveness. For example, a liquid with a higher density will have a higher rate of production. The properties of solid in slurry will also influence the rate of production. The objective is that if the solid or liquid are to be collected. And the last factors in influencing the production is the temperature. The higher temperature, the better the rate of filtration. Thank you.
Okay, now I will explain about the advantages and disadvantages of filter press system compared to other dewatering process. For the advantages, the first one is it is high solid content cake. Second, it can dewater hard to dewater sludge. The third, it's very high solid capture. And the last, only mechanical device capable of producing a dry cake enough to meet landfill requirements in some locations. While for the disadvantages, the first one, large quantities of inorganic conditioning chemicals are commonly used. Second, very high chemical conditioning dosage for hard to dewater sludge. Third, high capital costs, especially for variable volume filter press. Last but not least, labor costs may be high if sludge is poorly conditioned and if press is not automatic.
There are several ways that can be done to improve the filtration process. The first one is increase the pressure of the filter. Appropriate increase in pressure can improve efficiency. Using filtered fluid to flow to provide energy, while forming a pressure differential range when the filter reaches a certain value, the pressure difference will increase the flow rate of filtration material sooner, resulting in filtration efficiency. Then, for the second ways that we can do is, the filter material is various. Different shape, temperature of impurities will affect filtration efficiency. Therefore, we recommend that user need to consider temperature, degree of dense material, and shape of the solid particle and other aspects. And for the last one, we can increase the filter area. Since the filter product is relatively simple, we all want to maximize the filtration area. In order to achieve this, we suggest the cloth flat and not be folded. After a period of time, timely change or clean cloth guarantee its cleanliness. Thank you.